Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best folding dice tray is probably one of the most versatile and essential accessories for any tabletop gamer, offering a dedicated space to roll your dice without fear of them skittering across the table or getting lost under furniture, ensuring a smoother and more enjoyable gaming experience for everyone involved. Number 5. Grajar 2 PCS Portable Folding Dice Rolling Tray Set. Tired of loud dice rolls damaging your table? Our trays feature a durable PU leather exterior and a soft velvet interior to keep your games quiet and your surfaces pristine. Get incredible value with this set of 2 dice trays, featuring both navy blue and camel colors. Each tray is reversible, offering versatility for your gaming needs. Take the fun with you. These hexagon trays easily fold flat for convenient transport, making them perfect for parties, game nights, or any gathering. Measuring approximately 8 inches wide, these trays create a dedicated arena for your dice. They're built to enhance the excitement of every roll, no matter the game. These versatile trays aren't just for dice, they can also hold small accessories like change or trinkets. They're the perfect companion for any dice set. What we like. This set offers a cost-effective solution with 2 trays in distinct colors. The dual-sided design, with both PU leather and velvet options, provides versatility for your rolling needs. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option that offers variety and protection for your gaming surface, this is a great choice. What people say. The dice tray is easy to assemble and disassemble, making it convenient for travel. It provides a good surface for rolling dice, preventing them from scattering. The tray is sturdy and well-made, holding its shape even with frequent use. Number 4. Impresa 10-inch brown cowhide leather dice bag and tray. Introducing a versatile combo that seamlessly blends a dice rolling tray and a drawstring dice bag. Meticulously crafted from durable brown leather, it offers both longevity and style for your gaming needs. Constructed from genuine leather, this accessory provides a sturdy surface to protect your gaming area. Its thick design can handle the weight of metal dice without damaging your table. The blank front allows for unique customization, letting you add personal initials or designs. It can also be used as a holder for keys and coins. With its compact design, this is ideal for gamers on the move. It easily attaches to backpacks or belts, ensuring your dice are securely stored during transport. Delight any role-playing game enthusiast with this thoughtful combo. Its timeless design and functional elegance make it an admired addition to any collection. What we like. Experience elegance and durability with this genuine leather set. The included drawstring bag ensures your dice are secure during travel, and the customizable front offers a personal touch. If you value premium materials, portability, and the ability to personalize your gear, this set is ideal for you. What people say. The dice tray is easy to fold and unfold, making it convenient for storage and transport. The felt lining inside the tray helps to reduce noise when rolling dice and prevents them from bouncing out. The tray is sturdy and well-made, able to withstand frequent use without showing signs of wear and tear. Number 3. SIQUK 4-piece Foldable PU Leather Dice Tray Set. Unfold a world of possibilities with this set of 4 dice trays. Available in vibrant red, classic black, deep blue, and regal violet, they're ready for any game night. Expertly crafted with a combination of soft velvet lining and durable PU leather, these trays are built to last. The elegant stitching and robust construction ensure they'll withstand countless rolls. The plush velvet interior safeguards your precious dice from scratches and damage. Its sturdy exterior also protects your table surfaces, preventing dice from rolling off during intense moments. Designed for ultimate convenience, these trays feature metal snaps at each corner. Easily assemble them for gameplay or collapse them flat for effortless storage and transport. While perfect for Dungeons & Dragons and other tabletop games, their versatility extends beyond the gaming table. Use them to organize watches, jewelry, keys, or other small treasures. Looking for a gift that's both practical and thoughtful? This set of 4 colorful dice trays is an ideal present for any tabletop gaming enthusiast. What we like. Get the best value with this set of 4 foldable dice trays in a variety of eye-catching colors. The combination of PU leather and velvet ensures durability and a soft rolling surface. If you need multiple trays for different players or just love having color options, this set is perfect for your D&D sessions. What people say. The tray is easy to fold and unfold, making it convenient for storage and transport. It's sturdy and holds dice well, preventing them from rolling off the table. The felt lining inside is soft and protects the dice from scratches. Number 2. SIQUK 2 PCSPU Leather Folding Dice Tray. Get a set of 2 dice trays in royal blue and orange. They are perfect for sharing with friends or replacing as needed for your D&D games. These trays feature a unique construction combining soft velvet lining with durable PU leather. Metal snaps on the corners make them easy to assemble and collapse. The soft velvet interior protects your dice from scratches, while the PU leather exterior is easy to clean and feels great to the touch. With easy-to-use snaps, you can quickly set up or fold flat for storage. They protect your table surfaces and prevent dice from rolling away. These spacious hexagonal trays are perfect for polyhedral dice. They are also useful for holding watches, jewelry, keys, and other small items. What we like. This pack provides 2 stylish dice trays in contrasting colors, perfect for sharing or having a backup. The durable PU leather exterior and soft velvet interior offer excellent protection for your dice and table. If you're looking for a practical and portable solution for gaming on the go with a friend, consider this set. What people say. The tray is easy to set up and take down. The felt lining protects dice from damage. The tray is large enough to hold multiple dice. Number 1. SIQUK Double-Sided Dice Tray. Experience versatility with our double-sided dice tray. One side features a luxurious dark green velvet, while the other offers a sleek PU leather surface. Both sides are expertly stitched for an elegant look and a premium feel. Setting up and packing away is a breeze. With snaps in each corner, this tray can be effortlessly folded or unfolded in seconds. It's designed for ultimate convenience. Take your games anywhere. This lightweight and portable tray is the perfect companion for D&D dice games on the go. It protects your surfaces and keeps dice contained. Crafted from high-quality PU leather, this tray is built to last. It's easy to clean, simply wipe with a damp cloth. Enjoy its durability and reusability for countless gaming sessions. Don't worry about space. This tray offers generous room for all your polyhedral dice, metal dice sets, and even other small accessories like watches, jewelry, or keys. What we like. Discover the convenience of a double-sided dice tray with this sleek, rectangular option. One side features a dark green velvet lining, while the other offers a durable PU leather surface, both stitched for a premium feel. If you appreciate a clean aesthetic, easy maintenance, and a reliable surface for all your dice, this tray is a solid choice. What people say. The dice tray is easy to fold and unfold, making it convenient for storage and transport. It provides a good surface for rolling dice, preventing them from scattering across the table. The tray is made of durable material that seems to hold up well to frequent use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.